As we close this assembly, I stand before you with gratitude and with clarity. Our team reminds us that cooperatives must be adaptive and resilient to build a better world. Today, that this resilience is being tested and is being proven. In recent days, I have been publicly denounced my leadership, questioned, and my membership declared void by some. Let me address that directly. These issues have already been elevated to a higher level of discourse, where matters are resolved not by noise, but by evidence, process, and accountability. 3 formal demand letters have been issued, calling on the accusers to substantiate their claims. To this day, those demands remain unanswered, and that speaks for itself. Because in any organization that values integrity, allegations must be proven, claims must be supported, and accountability must apply to all. An official statement will follow, but let me be clear. Leadership is not removed by unilateral declarations. Membership is not erased by public posts. And legitimacy is not determined by unverified claims. Legitimacy is built on work, sustained by trust, and affirmed by the people who continue to stand and move forward. I remain not because it is easy, but because it is necessary. I remain committed to the mission, accountable to the people, and grounded in the work we have built together. To everyone here in KPLOY, we do not yield to pressure. We do not fracture under challenge. We insist on truth. We insist on process. And we move forward with clarity and purpose. Because resilience is not avoiding the storm, it is standing firm in it. Maraming salamat, padayon, and together we move forward stronger and unshaken. May hapon.